Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise, and its name is MS corner support. Well, this is the dimension for this part, and then let's make a modeling part now. From the Solidworks interface, let's start from the top plane and make it a normal tool. For the next step, go to the sketch, and then click a center rectangle from this toggle. Start from this point origin, and then I want to click smart dimension and change for this vertical line to 76 millimeter, and then okay, change for this horizontal to 106 millimeter plus 25 millimeter, and then plus 20 millimeter, and then apply. Next, click to this line and make it a vertical line, and then set the value to 20 millimeter. Well, for the next step, let's click to this line and make a per construction line. Right click, select, and then go to this toggle and midpoint line. Click smart dimension and then set for this line to 20 millimeter. Next step, click to this strike slot, click a smart dimension and set to 12 millimeter. Apply. From this line distance and make it 106 millimeter. From this point to point, set for 26 millimeter. And then apply. Click to this point, press and hold the control button, and then click to this point and make it horizontal. Apply. Next, click offset entities and then 6 to this. Make sure 6 millimeter value is selected, then apply. For the next step, click to this fillet and then set 25 millimeter, and then click to this corner. Then apply. Then let's give the thickness by click of feeder. Then go to Extruding. First, let's make a 20 millimeter, and then click to this sketch, change the direction, then apply. Click to this toggle, click to the sketch, extrude was, and I want to make it 6 millimeter for this highest from the sketch, then apply. Next step, let's click to this toggle, and I want to give the thickness from the sketch and set a value to 32 plus 20 mm, and then plus radius value, and it is 14 mm, then apply. Change the direction and then apply. Next step, click to this fillet and then set radius to 14 mm, and then click. Okay. Next, click to the surface and go to normal tool, and then click sketch and then circle. Start from this point, set smart dimension and change the diameter value to 12 mm. Then apply. Next, click this mirror entities and then mirror robot. Expand this tree and then click to this front plane. From this entities to mirror blocks, select to this sketch or circle, then apply. Next, let's give the extrude cut. You can click drag all and then apply. Next, let's give a new plane from this edges by click reference geometry and then plane. I'm sorry. Click reference geometry and then plane. First reference, click to this one and then click this one for the second, and then set 25 degrees and then change flip offset, then apply. Right click and make it a normal tool. I'm sorry, just click to this. Okay, right click and click sketch. Let's click to this circle, and then I want to make smart dimension to change the diameter value, and it is 44 millimeter, and then click circle and then click a smart dimension, make it a 22 millimeter, then apply. Next, from this line to this, I want to set 30 millimeter, apply, then click to this line, start from this point, right click and select, and I want to give the thickness, but let's turn into this and select this one, click the feeder, then Extrudworks, click up to surface and then click to this surface, click to this one, then apply. Yes. Click to the Extrudworks. Let's make for the same way again, just reverse, make up to surface, well, click to this toggle, let's click extrude cut. There are the information 32 for this. Click select contour, right click delete, and just click to this one, then apply. And then I want to hide this mid plane or plane, so you will see the preview like this. And if you want to change for the several color, click to this edit reference. For the example, I want to select to this color, and then select, delete, select to this face, and then select to this color, this is the optional color. You can make your own color. Then okay, Ctrl 7 to make it the isometric view. Yep, the part is done. Hi guys, the part is finished. I hope you like and support this channel. If you want to find a similar video, you can check the playlist, and I hope you subscribe this channel, and see you next time.